change is natural. Different species of plants and animals are constantly replacing other species, even in protected habitats like the Lodi Lake Nature Area. However, some changes, like human-caused introductions of non-native species, take a heavy toll on nature. For instance, take the nature area's English ivy, a non-native plant seen along the levee path. At times, volunteers remove it so it won't overwhelm and kill oaks and other native trees. And here at Pig's Lake, you are just as likely to see a red-eared slider as you are a native western pond turtle. Competition for habitat and food has stressed populations of the western pond turtle throughout the West. The red-eared slider, originally from the Mississippi River Valley, thousands became pets that were later released into ponds, lakes, and including many here in California. They compete with native western pond turtles for food, egg-laying sites, and basking sites. Just how long will the nature area be big enough to hold both species?